A gearbox-operated butterfly valve is widely used on board ships, especially in large-diameter and high-pressure pipelines, because it allows smooth, safe, and controlled operation with less manual effort. The valve consists of a body, a disc, butterfly plate, a shaft, a seat or liner, and a gearbox with handwheel. When the handwheel is rotated, the gearbox reduces speed and increases torque, which turns the shaft and rotates the disc through 90 degrees to open or close the valve. The seat or liner provides tight sealing when the valve is closed, while the position indicator on the gearbox shows the exact valve position. Gearbox-type butterfly valves are commonly used in fuel oil lines and water lines on board ships and require less maintenance with easy and fast operation. If a butterfly valve is not opening fully, not closing properly, or not holding pressure, it can cause serious operational issues. In this video, we will see how to check a butterfly valve on board a ship and how to correct the problem step by step. Open the gearbox and check whether the operating gears are in good condition, with no damage and no foreign material stuck inside or between the gears. Most of the time, the gear mechanism gets jammed or stuck, which prevents proper valve operation. Another important point to check is the gear stopper screw. Ensure that the stopper screws are in place, positioned correctly, and aligned with the valve spindle markings. If the gear position and spindle marking do not match, the actual valve stem position will be incorrect, which can result in improper valve closing and leakage. After inspection, clean and lubricate the gears properly, adjust the gear position, and lock the stopper screws using the correct Allen screws provided with the valve. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical shipboard engineering videos. Thank you for watching.